Emergency meeting. What's up everybody and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Now in today's video we jump back into ICP, one of the channel favorites. A lot of people are starting to wonder why certain coins are pumping and why ICP isn't. I see it in the comments. I see all of you guys in the comments on every video, and if the coin hasn't moved yet, you go straight to the comments and you say, well, ICP hasn't done anything, laughing face, laughing face. This is why so many of you guys, not all of you, but a lot, make no money in crypto bull runs. A lot of coins that I've covered on this channel have not been moving when I've covered them. And then guess what's happened? 2-3 weeks, a month later, they have their breakouts and everybody wants to start chasing it. I will not let you guys do this for ICP. I'm going to take you through exactly why you should be patient, you should be calm, you should be stacking your ICP in these times where people are not focusing on ICP. But before we do get into that, guys, so many of you who watch the videos, you are not subscribed, and I've gave you so many coins that are up like 1,000% already, 500%, 200%. Even coins that we've covered last week, they're up 100%, guys. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those coins and you want to be ahead of the crowd, you have to go and smash that subscribe button. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, so I'm sorry that this is a bit of a late one and I'm in my vest. I just come back from the gym, and remember, health is wealth, guys. So if you're not exercising at least 3-4 times a week, you're not drinking loads of water, then before we start, go get a bottle of water now and down 500 mils, because health is wealth. Healthy mind, you can make healthy investment decisions. Now, Bitcoin is at $1 trillion for the market cap, guys, and that is bullish. I remember looking at this and it was 600 million in the bear market. And everyone was like, oh, Bitcoin's never coming back. And where are we now? So let's see where ICP is sitting for today. You scroll down and you see here, ICP is still a top 20 coin. We were not always a top 20 coin, guys. So this gives me an indication that more people are starting to jump on ICP. And there is still a lot of concerns from people in the comments. And again, you can leave your comments below and let me know what your concerns are. But again, there were concerns for so many coins that have left the bear market lows, and ICP is on the brink of no return. Now, while I don't think we're going to be getting this in the next bull run, if I'm just 100 with all of you guys, when ICP ETF, now when coins do start to pump, you're going to see the Ethereum ETF narrative super hard, and then it's going to be like trickling down the altcoins, and the altcoins that have the best technology and the most use cases are going to be next in line from Bitcoin and ETH. And we move on and you see Anon says that ICP will be at the heart of the fourth industrial revolution. We'll open this one up for you guys now. I have read 300 white papers last year and my IQ is 134. Cap or no cap, you let me know if they're lying or not. ICP will be at the heart of the fourth industrial revolution. Don't F this up. The transition from Web 2 to Web 3 is a one-time only event. Lifetime opportunities like ICP are 1 in a million. And again, I agree with this. All the people that were like the early adopters of the internet and they were the builders of the internet, even the people that like started YouTube, for example. Think about all your favorite YouTubers. You know, how long have they been doing YouTube? 10 plus years, right? Because they were the early adopters. Again, we are early gang for ICP. So are you going to be an early adopter for ICP? If you're a believer, you need to be making some investment decisions, to be honest, guys. And then quick plug, if you need help with your investment decisions, then I've actually upgraded or updated my Patreon. So everybody that's already in there, you've got all the benefits that you signed up for. Now you see the OG spots already sold out. We've got 5 left of the Members Club Plus. That's going to get you access to the buy and sell signals, 10x trade, and then some of our portfolios. We've got 2 portfolios, main portfolio and low cap gems. And I've actually opened up 2 more, which is the VIP and the Elite. So the Elite is like super limited. I don't have enough time to be giving so many of you guys the Elite membership. Is going to take a lot of my time, so there's only 5 of you who will ever get that. I'm never opening more because I just haven't got the time. And the Members Club VIP, we got 9 out of 10 remaining. You get access to absolutely everything on the Discord, as well as a portfolio review from myself, which are currently priced at $100 on the Patreon. So you get one of those for free, and you just pay that $50 a month, 42 quid a month, and you get access to all of the portfolios. And you're going to see we entered a low cap gem, and it's actually in price discovery after 1 week. One of the Patreons, he messaged me today and he's like, Jesus Christ, Lamar, I'm so happy that I got in, because I'm already up like 100%, whatever whatever it is for the low cap gem, and another low cap gem is up 40% from our entry. We've added a gaming portfolio which is about to break out. So guys, you already know what to do. Go and run the numbers up. If you want to be part of the exclusive members club, we are filling up. We're nearly at 100 members, guys. So that is my plug. How many times do I have to show you these things for you guys to understand that we don't have much time left? I told you this with VeChain. I told you this with Jasmy. I told you this with GRT. I told you this with Render. I told you this with Link. I told you this with Matic. Guys, I could actually go on. Go through my channel, go through the videos, and see the prices when I was telling you guys to act now, okay? A lot of you guys, you don't pull the trigger, and that is where you don't make money, and I'm a little bit intense today because I can tell that time is running out, guys, and I don't want any of you lot to miss out. And with that being said, Bitcoin could get a bit of a correction pre or post halving. So again, the same thing that I tell all my patrons, leave some capital to the side. As much as I'm super bullish and I'm buying, and I've bought today, and I'm buying every single week, you need to keep capital on the side as well. So yes, I'm bullish, but again, keep a clear mind, because I don't want you guys to just be like, oh my god, he said buy now, so I'm going to go all in, put 10 grand, my whole savings into ICP. No, make sure that you're preparing yourselves for future opportunities as well. You'll see things like this, and you know, I've told you guys, I'm not I'm not waiting for an $800 ICP. But no harm in dreaming, right? What are you going to do when you wake up and you see ICP at $850? What are you going to do if you wake up and you see ICP at $100? If you wake up and see it at $50, will that make a difference to you? Because everybody who's in the Patreon and everybody who's been watching the videos from early, you were able to get $5 ICPs if you just took action when I told you to. And that means that, you know, rather than having to wait for an $800 ICP, you know, you can get a 10x when it is already $50, guys. And if it got to $500, you got 100x. Now, I don't think that's going to happen, I'm telling you that. But the power of being early is true. The power of being early is real. I normally do this at the beginning, but look, CoinMarketCap, halving countdown, 61 days. It is nearly 2 months exactly to the day that we are going to be partying after the halving, and everyone's going to be like on these bullish narratives of, oh my god, the halving, Bitcoin's going to go super high straight after the halving. But what I'm going to say to you is we're preparing for all outcomes, okay? So I don't want any of you lot to get fudded out if ICP, you know, blows up and then retraces before it blows up. And again, that's why you need to be in the Patreon, because I'm making sure every single day I tell these guys what I'm expecting, why I'm expecting it, and why this year we don't get shaken out of anything. And so far, everybody's doing really good. Trading View, bang, listen, we are still on our way back to the uptrend. I told you guys, let me move myself. I told you guys, $15 recapture, we will be in the uptrend then, and that's when I'll be long in the next move. Let's move this out. Become a funded trader, I'm good. We are still finding resistance under the $14 to $15 range, and I said to you guys, if we close above here, then we can go again. But until we close above here, we're not getting excited yet, guys. It's okay to watch these videos of everyone saying ICP is going to go to this price, ICP is going to go to this price. You know, maybe some of you stake it, you leave it in the NNS, and you know, you don't think about it. But for the rest of you guys who are like addicted to the charts, you like crackheads for the charts, I've been there. You guys, you know, you need to be understanding what can happen, why coins are going down, why they're going up. Everybody over in the Patreon is prepared. So we need $14 for that recapture. And you know what? Let's actually make a last little box here so that we can come back to this and we can say, once we've dealt with this supply range here, we are good to go. And I'll even put a little deal with it, son. Right, cool. We'll put that in there. Once we've dealt with that, guys, you have to deal with two things. You have to deal with the fact that you either took action down here or you didn't take action, and now we're going off to the races again and you're trying to play catch up. Which one is it going to be? Now, this is a little bit messy, guys. I am sorry, but you can see here around January to February, I'm expecting the end of alt season. So we've got all of this area here, about 10 months for an alt season to occur. And after this time, I'm going to be on red alert. I'm going to be looking and reevaluating all the altcoins, ICP, Ethereum, everything, and thinking, you know, exactly how much time do we really have to be, you know, making the rest of our money. Now, with ICP, I've already told you that my long-term target is the 1618 retrace at $231. But my next key point of interest, guys, is going to be right around here, and that is going to be a move to $33. Boom, we put that in there. Now, this is super messy, and this is actually like, yeah, I don't like that. But anyway, it is what it is. We need to break $15, and then I'd be expecting a move anywhere between that like 20 range to 33 at the very top. But time is running out. Time is running out to be getting your 10x gain for ICP. Are you going to act now? Are you going to wait? Let me know in the comments. And again, if you're going to make the most out of your journey, you need to go and check out the Patreon. There are limited spaces. I'm going to see you in the next one, guys. Peace.